Hello again, bag lovers, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the best 5 luxury handbag collection on Amazon that I love to share with you. Let's start with this Dasein Luxury Handbag. A marvel of craftsmanship, boasting vegan leather and gold-tone hardware. Its multiple pockets and detachable shoulder strap make it a versatile companion for any occasion, from work to travel. Priced at an affordable $44, this handbag scores a high 4.5 out of 5 from over 4,800 reviews, reflecting its popularity and satisfaction among users. Next, the Dasein Vegan Leather Handbag stands out with its soft, pebbled vegan leather, chic gold-tone hardware, and sparkling front rhinestones. Its practical design features a spacious 15-inch WX11.8, HX5.5, D size, comfortable handle, and adjustable shoulder strap, making it ideal for various occasions from work to vacation. Priced at an affordable $42, this handbag boasts a high customer rating of 4.3 out of 5 from 27.99 reviews, with over 50 sold last month alone, reflecting the satisfaction of those who made it their choice. Another one that I love is this Dasein Hobo Handbag. A marvel of craftsmanship, boasting high-quality vegan leather and a chic design with gold-tone hardware. It's the perfect companion for various occasions, from work to travel. Priced at an affordable $39, this handbag has garnered a stellar 4.6 rating from 641 reviews, reflecting the satisfaction of customers who praise its durability and functionality. It's a testament to style meeting practicality. Next up, the Foxer Cow Leather Handbag impresses with its split cowhide material and chain embossing, offering a stylish carrying accent. Ideal for various occasions, it's a versatile choice for work or social events. Priced at $96, it boasts a solid 4.3-star rating from 245 reviews, reflecting customer satisfaction with its quality and functionality. This handbag promises both fashion and utility, making it a cherished purchase. Finally, the Snake Print Underarm Handbag is a cruelty-free fashion statement with its rich faux leather and chic metal chain. Sized for convenience, it's perfect for various settings, from daily outings to special events. At an affordable $31 and a high rating of 4.6 from 2480 reviews, it's a popular choice with over 100 sold last month, indicating high customer satisfaction. Well, that is for today's video, a roundup of the top 5 luxury handbag collection on Amazon for 2024. Whether you prioritize security, durability, style, luxury, or functionality, there's something here for everyone. Check the description for links to each product, and happy shopping!